Today, we're going to be showing you how to start our Müller MSA 420 power unit. Step 1. Before starting the power unit, ensure all pre-start checks have been completed. Refer to Chapter 7.7 before daily startup. Step 2. Release the emergency stop button located on the main control box of the power unit. Step 3. Release the emergency stop button located on the handheld remote control. Step 4. Turn the main battery disconnect switch to the on position. The switch is located in the engine compartment. Step 5. Switch on the remote control by pressing the power button once. Step 6. The Müller logo should appear on the remote control display. If the remote controller is not lining up with the Müller symbol, it could mean that your battery is low. All you have to do to remove the battery is slide it out like that, and here behind the main control box, we have a charger and an extra battery for you guys. You just pop that one back in, slides in, should be running for you now. In the event that both batteries are dead, you have the option to connect the remote controller to the power unit via this cable. All you would have to do is connect this port to this port, and you'll be operational. Step 7. Press and hold the green control switch located on the main control box until the switch illuminates. Step 8. Press and hold the horn button on the remote control. After you press this button and hear the horn, you just push this up to start position and you'll hear the motor start on its own. Step 10. Allow the diesel engine to warm up as required. For cold weather operations, refer to Chapter 7.18, Winter Mode Startup Procedure. Step 11. Operate the hammer in accordance with the operating instructions contained in this manual. Follow all applicable safety and operating procedures to ensure proper use of the equipment. This concludes the startup procedure for the Müller MSA 420 power unit. If you should have any questions, please feel free to reach out to Foundation Equipment Services.